Meaning of hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic portal vein.
Hepatic portal vein. The hepatic portal vein is a blood vessel that carries blood from the digestive organs to the liver. It is responsible for delivering nutrients and other substances absorbed from the intestines to the liver for processing and detoxification. The hepatic portal vein is formed by the merging of the splenic vein, superior mesenteric vein, and inferior mesenteric vein. It is a crucial component of the digestive system and plays a vital role in maintaining overall health by ensuring proper nutrient absorption and metabolic function. Any obstruction or malfunction of the hepatic portal vein can lead to serious health problems.